Costco car rental program is a little known membership benefit, but it can be a great perk for Costco members. I'm Michael with Clark.com, and for me personally, I think Costco's car rental program is one of the top 5 reasons to have a membership card. It saved me more than $800 on a recent 2-week trip, and I'll tell you more about that later. For now, let's take a closer look at exactly how the car rental program works and how you can use it to save you money. Let's start from the top. How does Costco's program for car rental work? Well, Costco does not maintain a fleet of rental cars. Instead, it has partnerships with several well-known companies in order to be able to offer you a discounted rate. How do you reserve a car through Costco? There are 2 ways to do this, and let's go over them. The fastest and easiest option is to go to the Costco Travel website at CostcoTravel.com. When you get to the homepage, you will see an option for rental cars. Enter the locations where you will both pick up and drop off the rental car, along with the dates you need it, and then hit search. From there, Costco will then show you prices at several different rental car companies and for each size vehicle. They will also clearly highlight the lowest price option for each car type. If you select a car and hit continue, you will then be offered optional equipment such as booster seats and satellite radio for an additional fee. After making your selections, you then hit continue to upgrades, and this is where Costco will show you again some car options at different sizes. Now you've made it through most of the process. If you continue with your selection, you will need to log into CostcoTravel.com to complete the reservation. Keep in mind that you won't actually pay when you make the reservation. You will not be charged until you pick up the car at the rental desk, and that's a pretty big deal that we'll talk about later in this video. Okay, back to the reservation. What if you don't want to do this online? Costco can help you there. If you call the number on the screen, a travel rep from Costco will walk you through the process. Again, just call the number on the screen. Costco is very, very helpful. You also probably want to know this. Which car rental companies participate? Well, Costco gives you options from 4 car companies. They are Alamo, Avis, Budget, and Enterprise. Now let's talk about the money and the perks. How does Costco save you money on your rental? For starters, because Costco has such a large membership base, they have the power to negotiate better deals. Personally, I've rented cars through Costco at least a half dozen times over the last year, and not once have I found a better price elsewhere. But I encourage you to shop around to see for yourself. What about the perks? One thing I really like is that if you rent a car for leisure as a couple or a family, pretty much everybody else charges you for a second driver, which adds $10 or so a day to your bill. But when you rent through Costco, normally you pay no second driver's fee. What else? If you're a Costco executive member, you can save 2% on your Costco travel expenses. And if you have the Costco Visa card, you can add another 3% in savings. So that's up to 5% off on your final rental car price. And that's after already getting probably one of the best rental deals on the market. Now let's talk about what I consider to be an incredible money saver, and that's free cancellations. If you decide that you don't need your rental car, or maybe you find a better deal, you can cancel your Costco reservation for free all the way up until it's time to pick up the car. This was a big part on how I saved $800 on a recent trip. I reserved a rental car through Costco Travel for about $750 per week, which was about $200 cheaper than the best price I found on other travel websites. I made the Costco reservation about 3 months before the trip. Then about 2 weeks before the trip, I checked Costco Travel again, and I was very surprised to find out the rates had dropped to $550 per week, saving me another $200. So here's what I did. I made the new reservation, and after it was confirmed, I canceled my original reservation, thereby saving myself more money. Now, if you do this, please make sure that your new reservation is confirmed before you cancel the original reservation with Costco. Please make sure you do it in that order to protect yourself. One more thing, there is no promise you will find a better deal than your original reservation, but using Costco's car rental program gives you the freedom and flexibility to shop around all the way up until you pick up the car at the counter. I think that's pretty awesome. Let's show you how to cancel a reservation with Costco. Log in to your Costco Travel account, Select the current booking, click the cancel button, click yes when the pop-up asks you to confirm cancellation, and you'll get a confirmation of your cancellation emailed to you. And again, there is never a charge for canceling a reservation. If you do not want to do this online, Costco Travel can do it for you over the telephone if you call the number on the screen. Here's some other things to know about Costco's program. You can rent a car if you're younger than 25. However, you are likely to pay more. While drivers under the age of 25 still receive the Costco member discount, they may have to pay an additional fee. Now, to reserve a car rental, if you're under the age of 25, you must book directly over the phone. There's no online option for this, so you must call them. Next up, I'm sure you want to know this. Where in the world can you rent a car through Costco? This program works domestically, including in Puerto Rico and the U.S. Virgin Islands. It also works in select international locations that you can see on the screen now. I know that was a lot of information that we threw at you in this video, so let's do a quick summary. For me, the reason Costco Travel is the first place I go for renting a car, it comes down to three things. Number one, it's almost always cheaper. Number two, you don't have to pay when you make your reservation. And number three, most importantly, you can cancel your reservation if you find a better deal, either at Costco Travel or other travel websites. To me, it doesn't get much better than that. Thanks for watching this video, and please remember to subscribe to our channel. Happy shopping and have a good day.